afternoon, hope you're all good. Nice place to stop for a coffee. Just exploring my local area again. This is literally 3 minutes from my house. I'm lucky, I know. A few of you have said how lucky I am. So today I'm just going to go for a walk down the cycle path, down the Wales coast path, down to Deganwy beach and have a look down there. Come along. See you in a bit. So this crane is what we used to do when we were teenagers. It's wedged now, but you used to be able to push it out, and used to climb up that and jump off the dock into there, and climb up the side here, or swim around there and go up the steps. Great fun. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk down behind the back of the hotel here, and then down there to the jetty, walk along the jetty, walk along the beach, and see how it goes. So that's where I was a minute ago, down there. Used to run and dive off the end of this as well. You get some distance when you run from the top there. Just fly out there. Miss those days. Right, if you're gonna have a fire on the beach, don't leave it like that. Practice leave no trace. I'm gonna get rid of that now. It's not mine, by the way. There you go. You'd never know. Right, if you're into geocaching, which I'm not anymore, but used to be, you're very warm here. My geocache is here. Shouldn't really give it away, but that's not giving it away. It could be anywhere here. Yeah, my geocache is here, so I'm just going to check on it now, see if the logbook's okay. But I'm not going to show you what it is. Yeah, it's still there, all intact. It's called Life's a Beach. If anyone's interested, I'm looking for it. Someone else has had a fire here as well. Need to cover it up. I'm going to come back here soon for a litter pick. There's a lot of cans and that about. It doesn't get much more relaxing than this. Chilling out on the beach, listening to the waves with a brew. Cheers.
Oh, 2 sugars, mate, is it?
2 sugars, yeah. I'm going to finish this off, have a bite to eat, and then head off back down that way. See you in a bit. Right, I've decided not to walk down the bottom. The rain's going to start coming in. I've only got this jacket with me and not bought much stuff for me. Makes a change. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a like and a subscribe, and I really appreciate all your comments. Try to reply to them as quick as I can. There's quite a lot of them coming in lately, so channel's going nice. I appreciate all your feedback, good and bad. Right, anyway, take care, see you again.